Hey guys, welcome to my new channel. This is JV Real TV and I'm your host, Jasmine Vincent or JV. Now, I started this channel because honestly, I couldn't find another one like it. I was looking for a young woman of color who does general contracting work, looked all over YouTube, and none of them looked like me. And I'm a licensed realtor, a real estate investor, and soon to be general contractor. I love all things real estate. Real estate is my passion. So hopefully you guys will find this interesting as well. If you have any questions or if there's something that you'd like to see, please let me know as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment so we can get the engagement up. In the meantime, I hope you enjoy this next clip. This is me at a most recent renovation project, and just to give you guys some insight of what I do. All right, talk to you later. Hey guys, so I'm in another rehab right now. This is a 1-bedroom loft, and this is right after the tenants have moved out. The smell is very strong in here. It's a strong smoke smell. As you can see, the carpets have been ruined. This is a full rehab, okay? So it's gonna need flooring, it's gonna need drywall repair. They've already done some things here. Definitely gonna need paint. Ooh, y'all, the smell, it's so strong. Also, if you come over here, here's the bedroom. It's actually a pretty nice size, and it opens up to the balcony. And we have a walk-in closet over there. So it's actually not a bad size condo, and it's gonna be so dope when we finish. So I love showing you guys the beginning, because when you see the after, it's gonna blow your mind. But it is a process, honey. We're gonna have to redo pretty much everything in here. The doors, they are falling off the hinges. Gotta go. There is laminate here in the kitchen. So these countertops right here, this is laminate over Formica, however you want to pronounce it. But it's like that fake cardboard stuff. So we're gonna replace that with granite. It'll have new appliances in here. It look like they may have never cleaned that stove off. So we'll make sure that we have brand new appliances for the new buyers here. If you come over in the bathroom area, so this is the one bathroom, and it kind of has the sink on the outside. We're going to take that tub out, tile up the wall, replace the toilet, of course redo the flooring as well. I actually installed this vanity, and all of this was installed last year before the tenants actually vacated the property, because there was a leak and we needed to go ahead and address that then. But now that the tenants are gone, full overhaul. It's gonna be beautiful. So we'll make sure that that everything is taken care of.